Most of the drone pilots use their drones to film beautiful sights from above, and that is correct. But it's important not to forget to film yourself on those sights. More often we forget or don't know how to do that, and that's a shame, because these shots make travel videos more alive, interesting and unique. In this video, I will show you 5 approaches how to film yourself using a drone. First approach, you need to learn how to use your drone as a tripod. Beginners think that the camera needs to be in motion all the time, and that will make your video better. But that's not always true. A good steady shot with the right composition can look much better and more alive. The audience finds it easier to perceive a steady shot instead of some chaos in the movement. I've decided to make my way through the jungle to the top of the highest waterfall of Samui Island. I consider it to be the most beautiful waterfall in Thailand. There's an unusual bridge. And it seems like a suicide to fly your drone inside the jungle. So here it's better to use the drone as a tripod. By fixing the drone in different positions, I filmed my walk along the bridge so the audience can see the place from different angles. Few cuts gave a bit of dynamics to these boring tripod shots. By the way, old drones used to crash a lot near waterfalls. Drone's compass is going mad. Bad GPS connection makes it fly into the palm tree or some other obstacle. But now DJI and Autel drones with new sensors can position themselves pretty good. One of my favorite shots is simply fly off from the object. I barely made it to the top of the waterfall using climbing ropes. Now I need to film the climax, show myself on the top of the waterfall, the whole view, and I can do it by simply flying away. In the post you can add a speed up in the middle for some dynamic and a bit of motion blur for smoothness. I film videos like this in different beautiful places and post it on my Instagram as a boomerang effect. You can find the link below as well. On flights like this, you can add a scale effect and zoom our video when flying away. This will give you a dolly zoom effect. To film myself, I use active track quite often. Highlight the figure and the drone will follow like a dog. Very convenient if you want to film yourself on an open grounds like mountains, deserts, fields and cliffs. I use this function a lot, but when my subscribers show me their videos, I wonder why they don't film themselves. Location with a figure in the frame makes it more interesting, epic, dramatic and most importantly, unique. I did lots of tests with active track function in different conditions. I can claim that DJI Air 2S and Mavic 3 can handle it much better than other drones. This one time I even used Air 2S active track in the jungle. I'm still impressed how the drone managed to avoid all obstacles. Mavic 3 was able to follow me on a snowboard. I could go all the way down and the drone filmed the whole ride. If you like to travel and make videos like me, you'll need a quality music for your edits. All music from my videos I take from the Epidemic Sound website. I chose this service because it's a huge library where you can easily find the right music. And most importantly, you'll also get a license, so no problems uploading your videos on YouTube and no copyright violation, which is important for your channel growth. And now, for only 5 days since this video was uploaded, there's a big discount. Use the link in the description and you'll get 1 month free and 2 months with 75% discount. This generous bonus is available for only 5 days, so if you need music for your videos and edits, I suggest you to sign up. For the next shot we have Flight Pass. All we need to do is select a straight flight path with yourself on a beautiful background. This can be a simple flight above you, or a flight with altitude gain. You can do various experiments with this, the only limit is your imagination. But try not to hit yourself when doing this. When I fly among obstacles, in this case the main obstacle is me, I turn off the sensors, so need to be extra careful, it's very easy to hit something. These shots look very stunning and epic. I always try to show both location and me on it. So when you have nature and a figure in the frame, your audience can really see the scale of this amazing place. The easiest way to film yourself is a quick shot. Let's check all quick shots which Mini 3 has to offer. First one, droning. The drone will fly away from the highlighted object on a preset distance. Next one is rocket. The drone will go up and point the camera down. The third one is circle. It flies around the object. Helix. The drone will fly around the object while changing the height and radius. Boomerang is a bit like circle mode, but it will also fly away and come back. And the most unusual mode is an asteroid. The drone will go up and make a spherical panorama. My favorite mode is Helix. My hobby is to collect these shots from different locations. And also you can make a boomerang effect which looks amazing. My advice, don't forget to use rocket mode. I like this angle, some locations look epic from above. Usually I make a test flight, so the drone won't hit anything, and after I can put away the remote and do my things in the frame. That's the whole point of a quick shot. Drone in my bag is the most obedient operator. Thank you friends for watching, please comment how you film yourself using a drone. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.